Having a VOFO dashcam that doesn't record audio can be frustrating. This section explains the primary reasons why this happens. It could be a simple setting. Audio recording may be disabled in the dashcam settings menu. A firmware glitch could be the culprit. Outdated firmware can cause audio recording failures. Physical damage to the microphone, such as dust or breakage, can prevent recording. Compatibility issues with your car's electronics can also interfere with audio recording. According to recent data from VOFO, the most common causes are software misconfigurations, hardware degradation, and third-party app integrations. As of April 2026, about 15 to 20% of VOFO users still report audio recording problems, so you're not alone. Let's start with the easy fixes. First, go into your VOFO dashcam's menu and make sure the audio recording option is enabled. This is the most common culprit. Also, if you're using the VOFO app, double-check the audio settings there as well. Other basic troubleshooting includes resetting the device to factory settings, re-enabling audio, and ensuring the microphone port isn't blocked by dust or debris. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve temporary software glitches. For software glitches, try a simple reboot by powering off and on the device. According to a Reddit user on r/dashcam, resetting to factory settings resolved the issue in 80% of similar cases. VOFO regularly releases firmware updates to fix bugs and improve performance. And outdated firmware can definitely cause audio recording problems. Visit the VOFO website and download the latest firmware for your specific model. Follow the instructions carefully to update your dashcam's firmware. Firmware updates released in late 2025, v1.5, have addressed many audio-related bugs by enhancing microphone sensitivity and compatibility with newer vehicle infotainment systems. According to the Dashcam Owners Association, regular firmware checks can prevent 70% of audio issues. If software fixes don't work, the problem might be with the microphone itself. First, make sure the microphone is securely connected if you're using an external mic. If it's a built-in microphone, inspect it for any visible damage. If you're comfortable with electronics, you can test the microphone voltage with a multimeter, typically 3.3 volts. As shown in a 2026 YouTube tutorial by Dashcam Dave, swapping a faulty internal mic with a $5 external one can significantly improve audio clarity. Sometimes, the issue isn't the dashcam itself, but interference from your vehicle's wiring or electronics. This is especially common in older vehicles or if you've recently installed new accessories. Try moving the dashcam to a different location or using a different power source to see if that resolves the problem. In a 2024 study by Fleet Owner magazine, engine noise interference caused mic dropouts in 12 out of 50 VOFO A139 units. A VOFO patch resolved most of the issues. If you've tried all other troubleshooting steps and your VOFO dashcam still isn't recording audio, consider using an external microphone. This accessory can bypass a faulty internal microphone and often provides better audio quality due to dedicated hardware design. External microphones are widely available online and are typically affordable, costing between $5 to $20. Look for models specifically designed for dashcams or those with 3.5mm jacks for compatibility with VOFO models like the A119, A129, and A139. These microphones connect directly to your dashcam's audio input port, providing clear ambient sound recording without relying on the internal components. Some models even include noise cancellation features for better performance in vehicle environments. If you're comfortable with electronics and your camera is out of warranty, you might attempt a DIY repair of the internal microphone. This involves accessing the circuit board and checking connections, but requires careful handling to avoid further damage. Always consult online guides from trusted sources like VOFO's official forums or YouTube tutorials from reputable creators. Remember that any hardware modifications can void your warranty and potentially cause permanent damage to the device. If you're still having trouble with audio recording on your VOFO dashcam, don't hesitate to contact VOFO support. They may be able to offer additional troubleshooting steps or provide warranty service if your dashcam is still covered. VOFO has expanded their warranty support to cover audio issues up to 2 years post-purchase. responding to increased consumer complaints during the 2024-2025 holiday season. Have your model number and purchase date ready when contacting support. Dashcam technology is constantly evolving. Future models are trending towards smarter, more integrated solutions like AI-driven features and voice-activated recording. Expect enhanced noise cancellation algorithms and integration with vehicle-to-everything systems. Industry analysts predict a 30% drop in reported audio failures by 2030, driven by stricter quality controls and user education. To prevent future issues, regularly check for firmware updates, keep your microphone clean, and be mindful of potential vehicle interference. Regular maintenance helps ensure your dashcam is functioning optimally. By staying proactive with maintenance, you can enjoy reliable dashcam audio for years to come.